Hi, and welcome to the Someka Sprint Planning Dashboard. This tool will help you to plan, keep track on, and manage project sprints. Template contains 7 sections, 4 inputs and 3 outputs. In the input section, you can find a sprint plan, sprint retrospective, a backlog, which is the main input, and the settings. In the output, there is a Kanban and 2 dashboards. First, we need to start from updating settings and creating our team. In this section, we are defining what later we will see in the drop-down lists. Let's add some of the settings and add few new people to my team. Okay, let's go to the planning form. This section will help you organize your meeting. Fill out all of the important information like a title, date, meeting link, or the address. Choose your team from the drop-down list in here. You can change or update all the agenda, make notes, and in the end, print it, save as PDF, or send to your meeting participants with all of the notes and information from the meeting. At the sprint planning meeting, goals and main tasks are being defined. The section where we are inputting all of those information is the backlog project. Here we create and update all of the information of each ticket. Most of those options we have defined in settings. As you can see, almost everything I can choose from the drop-down list. I will create one additional ticket so we can track it later on. Okay, let's go to the Kanban section and try how it works together. I will choose the sprint 6, since this is the current sprint we are in. And let's find our new task. It's here. And assume I have just finished this task. I can click the arrow in here and it will take me directly to the row where I have my task. I will change its status to completed. And since it is completed, I will also add a date when the task was completed. Okay, back to the Kanban. As you can see, the new ticket was moved to the completed list. You can of course use all of the filters above. When I filter priority, you can notice that the colors or each task are directly related to the priority status. The colors are actually reflected in the settings section. You can see it in here. After each sprint, you can make a retrospective meeting and discuss all the tasks and goals. Make some comments and decision of the future direction of the project. This section is only a help tool. You can use it as you wish. This will not impact your backlog, but it can be in a great use during your next sprint planning. You can change what you will see in the list in here. It can be only a title or a title and a comment or anything you want from those 4 options. In here you will change where the tasks will be visible, in which list. Okay, and the last but really important output section are our dashboards. You can check them at any time when planning or having a retrospective meeting. You can filter your data and see all or just part of the filtered data. Here is a single sprint dashboard. I just choose the sprint number. Also, I can change all of the filters in here. And the other dashboard is the comparison. This is the comparison between all of the sprints that the project went through. We can also use all of the filters above if we just want to check some part of the information. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.